Hey there, welcome to GTECHAI. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix something went wrong in Hypic Photo Editor. Now, to fix something went wrong, there are two ways to fix it. One, by increasing your network like to 4G, you see, to 4G, or by retrying it. Now, let's try changing the network pool. Now, change the network to 4G. Like this. As you can see, I've turned my own to 4G. Now here, now select the aspect ratio you want here. Now click on generate. Wait for it. As you can see, it occur the changing network didn't fix it. Now let's change the aspect ratio and retry it. As you can see, it has generated. So you see, these two ways, if it occur again, retry it. If it keep occurring, keep retrying it. This is AI. And also change your network pool if necessary. That's how to fix something went wrong in Hypic Photo Editor. Now click on apply. You see it. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and hit on the bell icon. And if you are visiting for the first time, like, subscribe, hit on the bell icon for more AI tools and tech related guide like this. Thank you for watching. Watch this video in order to watch the full tutorial on how to use Hypic. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.